In this video, I'm going to show you how to use my distribution analysis tool. The distribution analysis tool is designed to quickly analyze a column of data housed in a .csv file. To get started, you will first need some data. I've provided a sample worksheet of data right here you can download and follow along. The sample worksheet looks like this. It is simply 4 distributions presented in columns. The tool will analyze any column of data in a worksheet and can handle worksheets with many columns. To use the tool, simply click Browse and select your file from the menu. Click Open. You will see that the tool automatically presents a summary analysis of the first column, Distribution A. It has given us a mean, median, mode, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and range, as well as a histogram and a box plot. If you want to look at a different column on your spreadsheet, you can do so by simply selecting it from the drop-down menu. You can see that the tool automatically updates in real time. All of these figures can be copy and pasted into your reports, and the 2 graphs can be saved as image files by right-clicking. I hope that this tool will save you time as you work to analyze your student data.